Now that we have seen the interface, let us work with an actual database. We will first have to download the database, and we're looking for something called worldwide importers. Simply do a Google search, open the first link that you see. There is a lot of background that has been given here. If you're interested, you can go and have a look at this. It's a fictitious data set, and the description tells you about what the data contains. If you scroll down, we have the Wide World Importers OLTP database catalog. Click on that. And as you can see, this gives you a complete list of all the tables that are there in the data. Very helpful for you to get a sense of what the data is. Let me go back. And if we click on the second link, we can now click on download, which is the latest release of Wide World Importers. And now the GitHub page will open up. And on the GitHub page, select the first one, which is a BAK, which is a backup file, Wide World Importers full.bak. Excellent. We can see that the file has got downloaded. But to be able to put that database in our SSMS, we need to put it in a specific folder. That means that we can't place the backup wherever we want to. And how do we know what that folder is? Right click on databases, go to restore database, go to device, click on the three dots, and do not select a URL, select the file and click on add. Now remember, there is a specific list of folders which it can connect to. So I can't just go to my downloads folder and select the backup. Why have I opened it? So that we can copy the path from here. So simply copy the backup file location, cancel, cancel, cancel. Go to your folder view, your file explorer, paste the path here. And as you can see, the path is something like this. C program files, SQL Server, then MS SQL 15, SQL Express, MS SQL, and then the backup folder. And from my downloads, I will copy the Wide World Importers BAK file, cut it, come back and paste it here. We can close it now. And now we can go back to databases. Again, click on Restore, Device, click on the three dots, select a file, click on Add. And as you can see, we have the Wide World Importers file here. And when we press OK, we can now click on OK once again. And you can see that the BAK file has been added. It says done on the bottom left corner. And once you click on OK, it says that it is restoring the Wide World Importers file. Depending on the backup size, it might take a minute or two. Once it is restored successfully, it will tell you that the database has been restored. And now if we go to the left to our file explorer, in databases, I can see that there is Wide World Importers with us. Now there is a lot inside this. We don't really care about everything. Mostly what we care about is tables and views, which we'll be covering in the course later. But for now, you can just play around with it a little bit. So for example, I'll go to tables and I can see all the tables have been given here. And the tables that have this icon, for example, sales orders, sales order lines, this is the data that we're interested in. For example, in sales.invoices, if I right click and select the top 1000 rows, it will run a query and show me the entire data for that table. Let's make it a little cleaner. I'll only select the top 15 rows and click on execute. And you can see the top 15 rows here. We also don't want to see all the columns, so I'll just select some of these and delete it. Once again, click on execute. And now you can see that the top 15 rows for these specific columns from our sales.invoices table has been shown to us. So spend some time and just get a sense of what type of data has been given to you.